Hi dear students, this is Shafi from Danvasco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we learned some problems related to the term independent of x, right? In this class, we are going to learn about finding the middle terms of the expansions. Here we have the problems that find the middle terms of the following expansions. In that first subquestion A, x by 3 plus 9y whole power 10. In this expansion we have to find middle term. How to find middle term? In the previous classes we learned that finding, you just see the note points of the previous class, you came to know about the middle terms and the term independent of x and general term, isn't it? You just see the note points of the previous classes. In our previous class we learned that finding the middle term of the expansion, if n is even, there will be only one middle term. If n is odd, then there will be two middle terms of the expansions, isn't it? So those things we know already. Here we are going to learn that finding the middle terms of the expansion. Before that, you just find the general term of the expansion, general term. First find out its general term. Here n equals to what? 10. N equals to 10. Power is what? 10. It is even or odd? N equals to 10. 10 is even or odd? Even. Okay, we know that if n is even, there will be only one middle term, that is t n by 2 plus 1, right? Okay, before going to the middle term, let us find the general term. So general term formula is what? T r plus 1 equals to, here we have in the expansion we have plus. If there is plus, there will be no minus 1 whole power n, right? If there is plus, then there will be general term that NCR x power n minus r into y power r. Okay, now tr plus 1 equals to n. In place of n, what we have? 10 cr, or you just keep it as it is, x. In place of x, what we have? In place of x, in the expansion, what we have? X by 3. Okay, x by 3. X by 3 whole power 10 minus r. X by 3 whole power 10 minus r. 10 minus r into y power r. In place of y power r. In place of y, in the expansion, what we have? 9y. You just write in place of y with 9y whole power r. So it is a general term of this expansion. Now, what is the middle term? You just see the previous classes note point that if n is even, then there will be only one middle term. That what? T n by 2 plus 1 is the middle term. It is the formula we already learned, right? It is a formula we already learned. If n is even, there will be only one middle term, t n by 2 plus 1. If n is odd, then there will be two middle terms, t n plus 1 by 2 and t n plus 3 by 2. So these are the two middle terms if n is odd. In this problem we have even value. If it is even, then there will be one middle term, that t n by 2 plus 1. So these 2 points already we have learned in our previous class. You just see the note points of the previous class. Okay, if n is even, middle term is what? T middle term equals to what? T n by 2 plus 1. T n by 2 plus 1. Next, that is equals to so t n by 2 plus 1 is what? T in place of n we have 10, that's 10 by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 plus 1, 2 ones are 2 5s are, then that is equals to t 5 plus 1, t 5 plus 1. Okay, t 5 plus 1. Now it is in the form of t r plus 1, it is in the form of t r plus 1, right? It is in the form of t r plus 1. So therefore you just put t 5 plus 1 equals to, therefore t 5 plus 1 equals to, in place of r we have 5. See, in place of r we have 5, in place of r we have 5. You just substitute this r value in the general term, you just substitute this r value in this general term. Finally we found the middle term, finally we will get the middle term. So tr plus 1, that is 5 plus 1, 10 cr, 10 c 5, next x by 3, x divided by 3 whole power 10 minus r. So 10 minus 5, in place of r I am just putting 5, so 9y whole power 5, 9y whole power 5. Okay, now simplify it, 10c5, how to simplify 10c5? 10, decrease this 10 up to 5 times, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 divided by, next reduce this 5 till 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, into x by 3 whole power 10 minus 5 is what? 10 minus 5 is 5. So x power 5 divided by 3 power 5. 3 power 5 into, next 9 power 5 y power 5. 9 power 5 into y power 5. Okay, now cancel it. So 3 2s are 6, 6 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. Okay, that is equals to 2 into 9, 2 into 9 is 18, into 2 into 7 is 14, into x power 5 divided by 3 power 5 into 9 power 5. See, 9 power 5 is also can be written as, by using the laws of exponents, 9 power 5 is also written as 9 is also written as 3 square whole power 5, isn't it? 3 square is 9, 9 power 5, right? So that is equals to 3 power 2 into 5 is 10, 3 power 10, 9 power 5 is also equals to 10. So this is the simplification by using the laws of exponents. 9 power 5 is also can be written as 3 power 10 into y power 5, into y power 5. Now 3 power 5, 3 power 10 will get cancelled, 3 power 5 will be there. Now once again, that is equals to 18 into 14 into x power 5 into x power 5 into 3 power 5 into 3 power 5 into y power 5. Now multiply these numbers by using a normal calci. So if we multiply 18 into 14 into 3 power 5, how much it will be? 6 1 2 3 6 x power 5 y power 5, x power 5 y power 5. Hence it is the middle term of the expansion. Are you understand? It is the procedure to find the middle term of the expansion. Okay, now I will just scroll down this sheet. Step by step you can you just note down in your notebook. Kindly do not make any kind of mistakes while writing these kinds of tr plus 1, tr plus 1, tn by 2 plus 1, these kinds of things you just write in a proper way. It is the given question. First, we just found the general term. Next, middle term. It is the middle term formula. It is a middle term formula. Next, after that, we just substituted r with 5. Okay. Then, after the simplification, finally, we found the middle term. Are you understand? We will have some more problems based on these middle terms. Okay, we will move on to the next question. Also, these kinds of question, I mean finding the middle terms, is also important for annual examination as well as CET. I mean who are preparing for CET, they have to learn about middle terms. We will have one more question. Finding the middle term. 3 minus x cube by 6 whole power 7. So we have to find the middle term. Before that, n is what? 7. Here n equals to 7. 7 is even or odd? 7 is even or odd? Odd. 7 is a odd number. So 7 is an odd number. If n is odd, then there will be two middle terms, right? If n is odd, then there will be two middle terms. Before that, find out its general term. Before that, find its general term. General term, TR plus 1 equals to NCR x power n minus r into y power r. In the given problem, I mean in the given expansion, we have the sign minus. If there is minus, then in the general term, minus 1 whole power r will be there. These things we already learned, right? Now, TR plus 1, general term, TR plus 1 equals to minus 1 whole power r, minus 1 whole power r, n. In place of n, we have to substitute 7 cr x power. In place of x, we have 3. In place of x, we have 3 power 7 minus r into y power r. In place of y, we have x cube by 6. In place of y, we have x cube by 6 whole power r. In place of y, we have x cube by 6. Now, middle terms. It is the general term of the given problem. Then what about the middle terms? Middle terms are middle terms. We know that if n value is odd, if n is odd, then there will be two middle terms, tn plus 1 by 2 and tn plus 3 by 2. So these are the two middle terms. When if the power is odd, then middle terms are tn plus 1 by 2 and tn plus 3 by 2. Tn plus 3 by 2. Now you just substitute this n with 7. So that is tn, that is what? 7 plus 1 by 2 and t7 plus 3 by 2. 7 plus 3 by 2, 7 plus 1 by 2. Now you just simplify it. T7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. T4. And T7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. T4 and T5 is the middle terms. Now let us find out the middle terms. T4 is also can be written as let us write this T4 in the form of r plus 1. I mean TR plus 1. TR plus 1. How to write this 4 in the form of r plus 1? T3 plus 1 and T4 plus 1. Okay, now therefore I mean t 3 plus 1 equals to, it is the one middle term. Next one more middle term, that t 4 plus t4 plus, okay, t3 plus 1 t4 plus 1, we have to find its middle terms. See, in this t3 plus 1, in this t3 plus 1, r value is 3. In this t3 plus 1, r value is 3. In this t3 4 plus 1, r value is 4. You just substitute this r value, you just substitute this r value in the general term. Substitute this r in this general term, we will get the middle term. So minus 1 whole power cube 7cr 7c3, r value is 3. Next 3 power 7 minus r, 3 power 7 minus 3 into x cube by 6 whole power r, x cube by 6 whole power r, r value is cube. Understand? Now that is equals to minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 whole cube, that value is minus. These things already we learn. 7c3, how to find 7c3? 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 power 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 power 4 into x power 3 into 3 is 9 divided by 6 cube, divided by 6 cube. Okay, next, so 3 2s are 6, 6 will get cancelled. That is equals to minus 7 into 5 is 35, 7 into 5 is 35. So 35 into, next 3 power 4, let us simplify this 3 power 4 by 6 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, right, 4 times. 3 power 4, 1 2 3 4 into x power 9 divided by 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, next 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are. Now minus 35, that is equals to minus 35 into 3 is how much? Minus 35 into 3 is 105, minus 105 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 into x power 9 into x power 9. This is what? T3 plus 1. This is what? T3 plus 1. It is the first middle term. Now what about one more middle term? We have one more middle term. Now in this second middle term, we have to substitute in place of r with 4 in the general term. See once again the general term. Here we have minus 1 whole power r. So minus 1 whole power r, in place of r I am putting 4 into 7cr 7c4 into 3 power 7 minus 4 into x cube by 6 whole power, x cube by 6 whole power 4. I am just putting r with 4 in the general term. That is equals to minus 1 whole power 4 is positive only. 7c4 is also can be written as 7c3 by using NCR formula. NCR equals to NCn minus r. 3 power into 3 power 7 minus 4 is 3 cube into x power 3 into 4 is 12 divided by 6 power 4. Next, that is equals to 7c3, 7 into, how to simplify 7c3? 7 6 5 divided by 3 2 1 into 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3 into x power 12 divided by 6 power 4, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Now so 3 into 2 is 6, 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are 3 2s are. Now that is equals to 7 into 5 is 35 divided by In the denominator, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 6 is 48. 48 into x power 12, into x power 12. It is what? T4 plus 1. Hence, it is the middle term. Okay, are you understand? Now, I will just scroll down this sheet. You just make a note of this question. This question is important for 3 marks. This question is important for 3 marks. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take, or else you can pause the video. Kindly note down in your notebook. Hence, it is finding the middle term. Based on these questions, I am going to give you homework problem. Kindly note down homework question in your notebook. So these questions are homework for you. Third question, C. Find the middle term in this expansion. X plus y by 3 whole power 7. Next, D. Second question, fourth question. 2x minus 7y by 4 whole power 10. So these are the 2 questions homework for you. These are the 2 questions homework for you. Okay, dear students, hence it is the class for today. In the next class, we will continue with the same type of problems. We will have many more problems. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.